Hi everyone, welcome back to Capes Corner Creation. I'm back today with some new items for the Etsy shop. I'm not making these today for you, but I have several of them that I wanted to bring to you. Journaling cards and paper clips that I have hand designed and hand crocheted for you. So I wanted to show you all of these different ones that we have available. So and if you enjoy this video today, please give me a thumbs up, share, and subscribe if you haven't. And be sure to ring that bell so you can see upcoming videos. Plenty will be happening soon. I've been on a little hiatus, but I am back now. And here we go. So this is our sunflower set. We have 3 journaling cards. Writing space on the back of each one. I leave them blank so that you can enjoy your cards and with plenty of room to write or add to your junk journals as you see fit. The large one, of course, can always be used as a bookmark, and you can add ribbons or more, pictures or such on there, and do what you like. And then we have on the bottom, we have 5 paper clips that I've hand crocheted. Each one is secure on the paper clip, not coming off. This is a little cute flower with a button on there. Each one has a button. Some of these are very old buttons, and like early 1900s. My grandmother's stash of buttons. But anyway, that shows you how old I'm getting. So there's 5 on each set. So this is the sunflower set, and I'm going to just show you what we have here, the next one. We have this really pretty pink set with a bit of roses on there. It's faint, but you can see that. And then the flowers on this one, I have 2 multicolor flowers, really cute, with some really pretty buttons to match. Let me see if I can turn that so you can see them. There you go. Really pretty. And then the others are just the pink flowers with some green leaves that I've crocheted for you there. And those are all sewed and secured on there and crocheted on there. Or both. Sometimes they need a dab of glue, and sometimes they just crochet on there really nicely. And whatever I see that they need, I put so that they're very secured on there and they're not going to fall off. So there's that set. And we have another set. Let me just move this one out of the way. This seems to be a popular color. Everybody is commenting on this. And I'll show you this one. This is really pretty colors. And then these flowers as well. All different. Every one is different. I make each one individual. I just crochet away. I don't usually have a plan. I just start to crochet, and then this happens. So that's how that goes. I love them in the journals. I love the paper clips on the top of the pages, on the side of the pages, in just such cute toppers, and we always need a paper clip somewhere, so why not make them embellished with some really cute flowers or, shapes, or however you want to use them. And of course, again, all the bookmarks themselves, the paper part is 6 by 2, and then of course the crocheting changes the size just a little bit, 6.5, 7 inches, such, and a 4-inch card and a 3-inch card. So there you have it, in all writing space on the back. So then we have that one, and I have 2 more. Let me grab those for you. I just wanted to bring these out to show you because they are available on the Etsy shop. Not all folks crochet, so I thought it would be great to share this with you. And these are our little Valentine journaling cards with some really cute red flowers, and this one we have a heart on this one. Not all of the flowers are hearts because I wanted to use a variety in the event you would like to use them in other places, just not always Valentine's, but just anywhere. These would be great, you know, Christmas or Valentine's or anywhere really. And these are all different crocheted edges as well on all the cards. I don't think there's two that are identical. Like I said, I just pick up the hook and crochet, so yeah, each one different, and all of them are blank on the reverse side, like I had said earlier. And that's our little red set. And I have one more. Let's see here. And this one is the gray set, and this one I just thought was so pretty. Just the colors, the black, white, and the gray. And then we have it, and these are, again, with some vintage buttons and crocheted flowers. So cute. So you can see that. There we go. Secured on that paper clip, not coming off. So there we have it. We have all of these sets that will be available on the Etsy shop. They went up today. So if you would like to view them all, you can find them there. So I hope you enjoyed this little quick video of the crocheted journaling cards and paperclip toppers. And if you enjoyed this video, just, you know, go ahead and give me that thumbs up so I know that you're enjoying that. Be sure to check the Etsy shop out for these all new items, and there are sale items still on there from 2020, and these are the newest for 2021. So thank you for joining me. I love when you view my items, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.